was thinking, I was pondering in this little head of mine what I was going to do with this rest of this tenderloin. And so what I decided I was going to do, I was going to make a broth or make a soup. And then I kind of changed my mind at the last minute because I don't have enough to make a stew with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to saute or cook up a little small batch of the remaining of this turkey tenderloin. And you know the sauce I'm going to use? Oh yeah. Just in case you don't know, we get down with the get down. Butter chicken. I ain't playing with you. Stop playing with me. And with this burger chicken, well, chicken butter, it has a mild curry taste to it, and it works very well with chicken breast. So this is going to be very interesting how this turns out with turkey breast, or turkey tenderloin, which is part of the turkey breast. Oh yeah. Get down, get down. So when I make this, I use tomatoes, preferably fresh tomatoes. I guess you could use canned tomatoes. I've never really tried it with canned tomatoes. I also use some potatoes. Okay, so, and you can't have anything without the good green peppers. Normally I would bake this, but I'm going to saute this in a pan with some olive oil. Okay. This is, oh, spinach. I thought I had some more broccoli, but I don't think I do. Let me go find some. Okay, I'm back. So I couldn't find any broccoli, but I did find some cauliflower blend, which is basically cauliflower, broccoli, and some carrots. So I'm just gonna mix this in with this. This is gonna be interesting because the last one I made did not have cauliflower in it at all. So this is gonna be interesting. I'll put some, so did it have any these green peppers in it either. I'm gonna add a little bit of this in here. Now to get to the good stuff, Now I'm going to add some onions. I'm a lover of onions, so I tend to add lots of onions every time I eat. Oh yeah. You don't have to add as many onions as I do. I just love onions. Okay. Now that we got all the veggies and stuff done, time to go work with the meat. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of this tenderloin, and I'm going to just cut it in slices. Like, oh my God, the meat is raw in there. Don't worry, it's all gonna cook and marinate real nice. And despite those onions being pre-cooked, they still burn like all outdoors. Like cutting up some turkey tenderloins. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to put this on the stove, let it simmer. I'm going to use since I'm going to eat some of this, I'm going to use my good virgin olive oil. I ain't messing with that side stuff that you get at the regular stores. There's, partially olive oil or some olive oil. All olive oil is not created equal. A lot of the good stuff costs a little bit more, but you can taste the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and get this simmering, and I'll be back when it's done, and we're going to do a quick taste test. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on a little bit. Yep. I'm going to put some of this good and we're going to let this simmer in its own juices. And then I'll be back with an update. All right, look at this, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now, this is still switch calm. I'm waiting for the meat to all get cooked. And where is my thermostat? Oh, there you go. Now, with most birds, you want to make sure that bird is 165 or greater. All right, still need to cook a little bit longer. So now we're getting to the point where I'm going to have to add the yum yum juice. Mm-hmm. Yum yum juice. I'm gonna add some yum yum juice. Where's that? Where's? Oh, here we go. Now, this is so much. If I had some more turkey tenderloin, I would probably make a stew. But unfortunately, I don't have enough. And what I'm going to do is that some of this tenderloin is a bit thick. Put some of this up. Look at that. Pure white meat. Mm-hmm. It's also going to ensure that it cooks a little bit faster. Okay. Down there, this is where the magic begins. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Don't get too excited now. I can smell. If you were over here, could smell this, your mouth would just start, just like, oh my gosh, look at this. So now this is going to have to simmer. Going to do it. I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit longer. This with all this now that the juice, which comments in, this is going to allow the chicken breast and everything to get up to par. So right now, when I think I last checked, it was like 140. So we still got to do like another 25 degrees. Make sure everything's cooked. Put a little. Just a little bit of poultry seasoning on here. Not much, just a little bit. We're gonna let this simmer. We're gonna do a temperature check, and then I'll be right back. All right. Time for a taste test. Mm-hmm. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, peeps. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Let's see what it is. Mmm. Even the potatoes are even soft. Oh yeah. Now, I was a little worried because of I had to change it up a little bit because I didn't have any broccoli, so I used that what do they call it? Cauliflower blend, which had carrots, broccoli, and some cauliflower. But if I would have had some more tenderloin, I would have made a stew out of this. Just, it's absolutely delicious. But the taste of those, the cauliflower, I don't taste at all, and of course, I don't taste it because the cauliflower tend to take on the flavor of whatever seasoning and sauces you add. Because I add that butter chicken to it, I can't taste the cauliflower at all. Oh God, that is so good. And of course, you can see the potato. If you notice, that is the tenderloin. I think that was onion. This here is some little bit of broccoli. Just blend together like it was made to be with each other. To call it, like, again, this is using the chicken butter, which I've used with the chicken before. It works very well with turkey tenderloins. This, yeah. If you want to surprise your significant other with a meal that you can make in like less than a half hour, this will make them come back. This is absolutely delicious. Delicious, healthy, and affordable. That's the big point. I don't know what to tell you. This is good. And this was, I didn't even bake this. This was all done on a stove top. So, what was it, the ingredients? I used onions, green peppers, a cauliflower blend, which is new, which was cauliflower, broccoli, carrots. The broccoli and carrots is not new. The only thing new is the cauliflower. But of course you can't taste that. Butter chicken salt. And I used olive oil because I didn't bake it. But this is absolutely delicious. So, until next time, family. Live long, eat healthy. I'll talk to you soon.